Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail.
First question. Inclusion of the word fraternity is proposed by options J. L. Nehru, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, J. B. Kripalni, Dr. Ambedkar. Answer is option 4, Dr. Ambedkar. Next. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Options President, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Answer is option 3, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next. Which one is not true regarding the bill in Parliament? Options. The legislative process begins with the introduction of a bill in either house of the Parliament, that is, the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Option 2. In case of a deadlock between two houses, speakers of the Lok Sabha calls a joint session of the Parliament. Option 3. A joint session of the two houses is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Option 4. A bill can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member. Correct answer is option 2. In case of a deadlock between the two houses, Speaker of the Lok Sabha calls a joint session of the Parliament. This statement is not true regarding the bill in Parliament. Next one. Who prepared the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Options. Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option 4, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next. Which one is not true about the Attorney General of India? Options. His tenure and salary is decided by the President. Option 2. He appears before High Court and Supreme Court in cases involving Union government. Option 3. He is a legal advisor to the Government of India. Option 4. He has a voting right in the proceeding of the Parliament. Answer is option 4. He has the voting right in the proceeding of the Parliament. Next. The chairman of the CAT should be options. Ex-governor of a state, member of Parliament, a sitting or retired judge of a High Court, a sitting or retired judge of a Supreme Court. Right answer is option 3. A sitting or retired judge of a High Court. Next. Supreme Court held that the preamble is not a part of the Constitution in which of the following cases? Options. Sunil Batra vs. Delhi Government, Berubari Union Case and Keshavananda Bharati Case. Option 3. Minevara Mills vs. the Union of India and other states. Fourth option. Unnikrishnan vs. Union of India. Right answer is option 2. Berubari Union Case and Keshavananda Bharati Case. Next. Union Central Administrative Tribunal is passed to. Options. None of these. Option 2. Guarantee employees to all citizens of the country. Option 3. Provide for the adjudication of trial by administrative tribunals of disputes and complaints with respect to recruitment and condition of service. Fourth option. Provide relief from high-handedness of police. Right answer is option 3. Provide for the adjudication or trial by the administrative tribunals of disputes and complaints with respect to recruitment and conditions of service. Next. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? Options. Fifth Schedule, Directive Principles of State Policy, Fundamental Rights, Preamble of the Constitution. Answer is option 4, Preamble of the Constitution. Next. Which of the following is true about the Attorney General of India? Options: all of these. Option 2. His term of the office and remuneration is decided by the President. Option 3. He advises the Government of India. Option 4. He has the right of audience in all the courts in India. Correct answer is option 1, all of these. Next. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution deal with the appointment of Attorney General of India? Options: Article 74, Article 72, Article 76, Article 68. Correct answer is option 3, Article 76. Next. The Central Administrative Tribunals is passed in which year? Options: 1974, 1985, 1991, 1988. And the answer is option 2, 1985. Next. Preamble of our country reads that India is a. Options: secular and democratic, sovereign and secular, secular, sovereign, democratic. Option 4, secular, sovereign, democratic, democratic and republic. Right answer is option 4, secular, sovereign, democratic, democratic and republic. Next. Who is the highest legal officer of the Union Government of India? Options: Attorney General of India, President, Solicitor General of India, CAG. Right answer is option 1, Attorney General of India. Next. Which article of Indian Constitution have the provision of CAT? Options: Article 122, Article 323A, Article 312A, Article 332A. Answer is option 2, Article 323A. Next. Which feature of Indian Constitution is not taken from American Constitution? Options: single citizenship, judicial review, fundamental rights, preamble. Right answer is option 1, single citizenship. Next. To be eligible for appointment as Attorney General of India, a person must possess the qualification prescribed for. Options: Judge of a High Court, Solicitor General of India, a renowned lawyer, Judge of Supreme Court of India. Right answer is option 4, Judge of Supreme Court of India. Next. The provision of this Act, CAT, shall not apply for which of the following? Options: any person appointed to the secretarial staff of either House of Parliament. Option 2, all of these. Third option, any member of the naval, military or air forces or any other armed forces of the Union. Option 4, any officer or servant of the Supreme Court or any High Court. And the answer is option 2, all of these. Next. Who said that the preamble is the keynote to the Constitution? Options: K.M. Munshi, Ernest Barker, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is option 2, Ernest Barker.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.